Even after more than 20 years, it still hasn't reached its final form.
Not final.
So bonsai requires a long period of time to develop its depth.
Continually perfecting, continually improving. And this, what I've cultivated, has taken more than 20 years.
In the past, I was working at a factory site. When I came across it, the whole area was under construction and everything had to be cut down and demolished.
They had been chopped down and discarded. I managed to rescue 3 of them, and this is one of them.
It's just that the flowers are truly beautiful.
Every May, the flowers are in magnificent, vibrant bloom, purple blossoms.
This country has come out.
It's probably close to 2 meters.
About right.
Almost 2 meters. Wow, this part is just incredibly beautiful. All the roots, branches, and structure are in place.
Put the water back in the pot, then it'll look good.
This one, this old elm tree really has a very strong personality. Yet another winner.
Bronze.
The association in the Southwest is actually in Jiaotong. It's specifically in Tannertu. This is one particular form of expression.
It's still not mature enough.
Well, these branches are still a little bit sparse. We're always finding ourselves facing cliffs, and this particular condition feels quite unique.
More than 20 years and it still hasn't fully taken shape.
Not final yet.
So bonsai requires a long time to settle.
Very continuously improving, continuously refining.
Then this one, which I've cultivated, has also been nurtured for over 20 years.
In the past, when I was in charge of a factory area, whenever we encountered a situation where the factory was being built and everything had to be cut down and discarded, I saved 3 trees, and this is one of them. It can only be admired for its exceptionally beautiful flowers, blooming profusely every May with purple blossoms.
This country has already emerged.
The hanging scroll might be close to 2 meters.
Almost.
The hanging scroll is nearly 2 meters. It's about to be beautiful. Right.
The roots and branches are already there.
Water the pot, and then it will look nice.
This one, this old tree is quite unique.
Another award-winning piece. Bronze award.
At the Southwest New Year's Goods Fair, this needs to be photographed in bronze, planted in a pot. This is a form of expression.
This is not mature enough yet.
The branches are still a bit sparse.
There are also always cliffs.
This state is quite peculiar.